Good morning, students. Today, let us continue the lesson Our Karnataka. In this lesson, today we are going to learn about Bangalore division. As you all know, in Bangalore division, there are 8 districts. They are Davangere, Chitradurga, Tumakuru, Chikkaballapura, Bangalore Rural, Bangalore Urban, Kolara and Ramanagara. So, in today's class, we are going to learn about the contributions of Bangalore division in the field of art, literature, folklore, theatre and dance. First, let us study about the contributions of writers in the field of literature. The 3 important poets or the scholars who received the highest award, which is called Jnanapita Award in Kannada literature, Kuvempu, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar and U.R. Ananthamurthy, they belongs to the Bangalore division. This is an indication of the literary achievement of Bangalore division. Now, let us see about the contributions in the field of ancient literature. 12th century in the Indian history is very famous because during that time, Vachana literature has developed. The most famous Vachanakaras of 12th century who belongs to the Bangalore division are Akka Mahadevi and Allama Prabhu. They are from Balligavi of Shumaga district in Bangalore division. Along with the Vachana literature, Dasa Parampare also developed. The most famous Dasas who belongs to the Bangalore division are Sri Padarayaru and Purandaradasaru. Next, let us see the contributions of poets or scholars in the field of literature in the modern period. They are Kuvempu, D.V. Gundappa, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, P. Lankesh, K.S. Nisar Ahmad, T.P. Kailasam, M.K. Indira, Tarasu, Dr. Anupama Niranjan, Hama Nayak, M.V. Sitaramaya, B.G.L. Swami, K.V. Subbanna, U.R. Ananthamurthy, Baraguru Ramachandrappa, Venkata Subbaya and G.S. Shivarudrappa, Dalita poet Siddhalingaya, Dr. D.R. Nagaraj, Kiram Nagaraj, Na D'Souza, Kottegenahalli Ramaya, K.B. Siddhaya, Doddarange Gowda, Pattabi Nandakumar are the most famous modern poet who contributed immensely in the field of literature. Next, let us continue the contribution in the field of theatre. Like literary field or like literature, even in the theatre field also, many number of people have contributed. The most famous personalities who contributed in the field of theatre are Gubbi Veeranna, Subbaya Naidu, K. Hirannaya, Master Hirannaya. Subbaya Naidu was the father of Lokesh. Lokesh was the most famous artist in Kannada cinema industry, and you may be knowing about Srijan Lokesh. He was a grandson of Subbaya Naidu. Now let us learn something about Subbaya Naidu. He was the hero of the first Kannada talkie movie Sati Sulochana. He was born in Heggada Kote in Mysuru. By recognizing his work in theatre, he was awarded the Sangeeta Natak Academy Award. He was awarded the award which is called as a Sangeeta Nataka Academy Award. Next, about K. Hirannaya and Master Hirannaya. Both are well known for their cultural comedy in Kannada. K. Hirannaya founded a Hirannaya Mitra Mandali. One organization was founded by K. Hirannaya, that is called as a Hirannaya Mitra Mandali. Notable plays of Master Hirannaya include Lanchavatara, then Kanya Dahana, then Sannyasi Samsara, etc. Lanchavatara has been played more than 11,000 times over a span of 45 years, performing in the countries like USA, Australia, Singapore and England. We have to be proud be having these kind of personalities in our state, not only in our country, even in other country. The people were appreciated, K. Hirannaya and Master Hirannaya, for their contribution. Now, the contribution in the field of cinema. So as you all know, Bangalore is an important center of cinema industry. New wave films have also contributed immensely these days. Okay, many number of films have came and contributed more in the field of cinema industry. The Kannada film industry is growing positively due to the contributions of some great personalities from the field industry. Some of them you are knowing, that Dr. Rajkumar, Vishnuvardhan, Shankar Nag, many number of actors have contributed and enriched the popularity of Bangalore division. Next, let us learn about folklore and folk art of Bangalore division. The famous folklore expert and writer Dr. H.L. Naghegowda has established a folklore center which is called as a Janapada Loka in Ramanagara district. It is a wonderful folklore museum. Many arts, crafts belonging to various folk arts, literature, theatre are displayed here. So that is in Ramanagara district. That is called as a Janapada Loka. Next, the famous folk arts of Bangalore division. Folk arts, you know that Janapada Kale, that is called as a Janapada Kale, that is Karaga Utsava, then Somana Kunita, then Moodalapalya Ekshagana, then Garudi Kunita, Dollu Kunita, Kamsale Kunita. These are the best example for folk arts which are there in the Bangalore division. Next, the contributions of Bangalore division in the field of education and health. Education and health are very, very important for each and every people. So what are the contributions of Bangaloreans in the field of education and health? Let us see that. So Bangalore division has achieved immensely in the field of education and health. The two recipients of Bharat Ratna Award, the highest civilian honor of India, they are from Kolar district of Bangalore division. You all knowing that is they are Sir M. Vishwesvaraya and Professor C.N.R. Rao. Sir M. Vishwesvaraya is the first engineer from Karnataka, and Sir C.V. Raman, the Nobel winning physicist, conducted his research in Bangalore. These two persons belongs to the Bangalore division. They are Sir M. Vishwesvaraya and Professor C.N.R. Rao. And here many religious institutions are also providing education in Bangalore division. You all know that Siddhaganga Mutt, it provides food and education to thousands of students even today. It has contributed immensely under the leadership of Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. Unfortunately, you may be knowing he was expired on 21st January 2019. It's a great loss to the educational field. One more important religious educational institution, that is Adi Chunchanagiri Mutt, which was developed by Sri Bala Gangadharanath Swamiji, provide the basic and professional education. So the contributions of Muruga Rajendra Mutt and Sringeri Taralabal Mutt of Chitradurga also very famous, which belongs to the Bangalore division. Bangalore is an important center of education. There are many famous public and private universities in this division. There are also many central research and scientific laboratories are established. In Tumakuru, Bangalore, Shimoga and Davangere have the universities to provide the higher education. This shows how much importance they have showed in the field of education. There is an Students, now let us continue the contributions of Bangaloreans in the field of education and health. As you all know, education and health is very, very important for the progress of man. So, Bangalore division has achieved immensely in the field of education and health. So, the two recipients of Bharata Ratna Award. Bharata Ratna Award is the highest civilian honor of India. The two important persons who received Bharata Ratna Award belongs to the Bangalore division are Sir M. Ishweshwaraya and Professor C.N.R. Rao. You all knowing about Sir M. Ishweshwaraya. His birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day, and he was the first engineer from Karnataka. And Sir C.V. Raman, the Nobel-winning physicist, conducted his research in Bangalore. So these three personalities, Sir M. Ishweshwaraya, C.N.R. Rao and C.V. Raman, contributed a lot in the field of education from Bangalore division. Like that, many religious institutions are also providing the education. Free education will be provided by the religious institutions. Some of the famous religious institutions from Bangalore division, most famous religious institution which is providing the education, that is Siddhaganga Mutt, which provides food and education to the thousands of students. It has contributed immensely under the leadership of Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. You all knowing about the Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. Unfortunately, he was expired on 21st January 2019. It was a great loss to the educational field. Another important religious institution which is providing education to the thousands of people, that is Adi Chunchanagiri Mutt, which was developed by Sri Balagangadharanath Swamiji, which is providing the basic and professional education. Other two more important religious institutions, that is Muruga Rajendra Mutt and Sringeri Tarala Balu Mutt in Chitradurga are notable. So these are the four important religious institutions which are providing the education, that is Siddhaganga Mutt, Adi Chunchanagiri Mutt and Muruga Rajendra Mutt, then Tarala Balu Mutt of Chitradurga. Bangalore is an important center of education. There are many famous public and private universities in this division. There are also many central research and scientific laboratories. Tumakuru, Bangalore, Shimoga and Davangere have universities. For the higher education, there are many number of universities in Tumakuru, Bangalore, Shimoga and Davangere district of Bangalore division. And one more important university, that is Agricultural University, which is there in the Bangalore. The government is encouraging primary education since pre-independence period. Nowadays it became compulsory to 6 to the 14 years children. So the both state government as well as the central government is supporting for the primary education. Most of the district of this division have engineering colleges and medical college. This shows that Bangalore division has given a lot of importance in the field of education. Next, let us see health. Health is wealth. So what is the contribution of Bangalore division in the field of health? Bangalore division has achieved considerable progress in the field of health. It has contained contagious diseases. Infant death rates have been reduced drastically. Then smallpox and polio have been eradicated completely. Monkey disease, which has prevalent in the forest regions of Shimoga, has also been completely eradicated, because Shimoga's most of the part is covered with the forest. So there is one disease which is prevalent, that is monkey disease. The Bangalore division has tried to eradicate that disease. In spite of all this effort, children and women in rural areas are also still malnourished. That is a problem which is there in each and every district. In rural areas, primary health centers and health sub-centers provide needed medical facilities. So in rural areas, primary health centers, each and every villages are having the primary health center to provide the health facilities to the rural people. Every district center has a well-equipped district hospital. Bigger towns, villages have community health center. Taluk centers have taluk hospitals. The government has established a primary health center which function 24/7 to ensure the safe delivery. Mobile health facilities are there to provide the better facilities to the pregnant woman. In this way, they are providing a very good health facilities to the people. Now, let us see the political stalwarts who have contributed to the development of the state from Bangalore division. As you all know, many number of proud people from the Bangalore division had taken part in the national freedom struggle. The chief architect of Karnataka integration, Kengal Hanumantaya, is from this division. And the Vidhana Saudha building was built during his tenure as a chief minister. Even today Vidhana Saudha is there in Bangalore. It was built during the time of Kengal Hanumantaya as a chief ministership. Another famous person who has played an important role in the Karnataka integration movement is Nijalingappa. He also undertook many important programs aimed at building a strong state. These two personalities, Kengal Hanumantaya and S. Nijalingappa, both are belongs to the Bangalore division. In today's class, we have discussed the contributions of Bangalore division in the field of art, literature, folklore, theatre and dance. I hope you all understood today's concepts. Thank you, students.